Hi, I'm Jay. My father was born in Korea in 1944. At that time, South Korea was really poor, and the only thing he worried about is about his next meal. But due to new policy in South Korea and hard work of his generation, after 20 years, he could overcome all this, and he could feed his family well enough. So my sister and I could dream the dream that we always dream about. So my sister became a professor at Stanford University, and I become the CEO of one of the most innovative, promising startup. We're making an innovative sensor for many applications, including drones. Unfortunately, there are a lot of young generation or young child still starving in Africa. It's hard to believe because Africa has a lot of potential for high productivity in agriculture. But the good news is there are more than 80% of penetration rate for the mobile technology. So if we could recommend how people should farm and what kind of crops they should grow in their land, I think it's possible to increase the productivity in agriculture 2 times or 3 times easily. So the prize I would like to suggest is food independency in Africa with smart drones. If we can change Africa from imported food country to exported food country, I think we can grow candid spirit to young generation in Africa so that they can pursue their dreams instead of worrying about their next meal. Thank you very much.